Alright guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about inheritance. Okay, I have one class product. This class is going to be inherited by transaction class. Transaction and product is not easy relationship. For the purpose of example, I'm doing this. Okay, let us start coding. So we have, let's say, product ID. Then after we have product name. Once we have product name, let's create one more variable that is product produced. Right now, let's create the product constructor. Inside product, what we are going to do, we are going to define the variables. Product ID, product name, product produced. Let's initialize this one. This dot product ID, this product ID, this one here, and then this product ID is this, that the user is going to input hardcode or from keyboard. Then we have now, next one is product name, and this product name comes from the user, product name. Then again in the same way, we have product produced. Okay, so product produced. Now let's create one method here, display product info. Now sys out. Then after, let's do first product ID. Let's print another one, which is the product name. Next one is a total production, product produce. Now we have 3 variables ready in product class, and then we created constructor for this product class, and then one method from here. Now let's create another class and let's try to extend this one. Okay, so another class, which is transaction. In transaction, let's start with transaction ID. Then after, let's say, product sold, for example. First, let me extend this. Extend which class? Product class. So it is going to come all the information from here. So let me copy this one. Let me put it here. And in the same line, I'm going to put this one here from this class. So I have transaction ID. I have product sold. Now what I can do here is this I call superclass. Okay. Next one is, what I need to do is this. So I'm calling all this variable from superclass, and then I'm using from this class this 2 variable, which is transaction ID, product sold is here, and that product sold comes from this class. We have product class here, and in product class we have 3 variables: product ID, product name, and product produced, and then constructor of this product class, and then just one simple method, display product info. And in transaction class extends this product class so that we can inherit, we can use the properties of this class. Okay, this one. I have added 2 more variables here, transaction ID and product sold. And then in the same way, I have created one transaction constructor. Product ID, product name, and product produced belongs to this class here. I'm using its property, product class property in here. I'm using this 2 variable from transaction class. Void display transaction. Okay, display transaction info here also. First, let me print this one here. Okay, display product info. Can I do that? Yes. Display product info, so that I don't have to do anything else. So I'm calling from there to here. Now I'm going to create 3 more printing here. Let me create the transaction, TN, new transaction. And here the first one is what? Transaction ID, let's say, no, product ID. And what is the next one is? That one is, let's say, Apple. Apple is there. Next one is what? The third one is the total produced. Okay, maybe we produce 5,000 ton. Okay, then after transaction ID, so let's say 707, and then how much you sold? Let's say you sold 3,000. Okay, and let me check what is transaction, TION. All right, let's display the product info and transaction information. So in that case, which method we are going to call? This method. This method has display product info and transaction info both, right? So display transaction info. Now let's call it. Okay, Now we have this product, which is the product ID. Then after, what is the name of the product is Apple. Total production is 5,000. And then one product sold also here. Look at, you can see this one. And now let me run. What happens? So product ID is 100. Product name is Apple. Total production is 5,000. Transaction ID is 707. Total sold is 3,000. And product in the stock is 2,000. So what we did here is that we created one product class and then transaction class. Transaction class extended the properties of product class and then use it. This is called inheritance. As I said earlier, product and transaction class is not an easy relationship, but for the purpose of this example, I have used product class and then transaction class. Hope it helps. Thank you.